In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the color palette in Google Slides, enhancing your presentation's visual appeal in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to create a coherent theme or simply want your presentation to pop, knowing how to customize colors is an invaluable skill for any slide creator. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Slides. Open your favorite web browser and type in the Google Slides URL. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Enter your credentials if prompted. This ensures all your changes are saved automatically to the cloud, giving you easy access to your presentation anytime, anywhere. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can either start a brand new presentation or choose from an existing template. If you want to create your own unique presentation, click on the blank presentation option. Alternatively, browse through the templates and choose one that aligns with your theme. With your presentation open, select the text or object that you would like to modify. Simply click on the element you want to change. Google Slides is intuitive, so you can experiment and see your adjustments in real time as you explore the settings. Next, move to the top menu and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear, offering numerous options for styling your text and elements. Within the Format menu, look for the Text submenu and click on it. This section provides tools specifically for text adjustments, making it invaluable for perfecting the aesthetic of your presentation. Inside the text submenu, find and click on Color. Clicking on Color will open the palette of colors available in Google Slides. This palette not only offers a spectrum of hues to choose from, but also allows you to customize shades to perfectly match your desired theme. Hovering over the colors provides an instant preview, helping you quickly see which option works best for your design. Explore and select a color that enhances the overall look and feel of your presentation. You can experiment with different combinations for text, shapes, or backgrounds to achieve a consistent and visually appealing theme. This customization allows you to create a tailor-made color palette that gives your Google Slides presentation a personal and professional touch. By learning to navigate and utilize these color settings, you can make your presentation stand out, achieving both clarity and creativity. Remember, experimenting with different color schemes can dramatically improve your audience's visual experience and engagement. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice these techniques to create the best visual impact for your presentations. Happy presenting!